Hi everybody, welcome to Fast Homebrew. It's tasting day again already. This is number 19. Got a new set of beers to try, so let's get going. And first one I've got here, this is the Cooper's Mexican Cerveza Kit, and it's come out nice and clear apparently. And yeah, that's a boring beer. So this is actually I don't know for sure, but it seems to be, from what I've observed, one of Cooper's most popular kits. And, you know, it's alright, I guess, but to me it's kind of boring. See if I can spice it up with this lime, maybe, you know, sort of Mexican style or whatever they do. And, yeah, I don't know. To me, it's alright for a kit. You know, there's nothing really wrong with it. It's just a bit boring. Alright, number 2. This is my... Oh, yeah, this is the strong ale. And I kind of winged it with this one, making up the recipe and trying to shine my light through there, and it's not working, so I'll just grab the light off my black and try again to see the colour, because this one really does have a nice colour actually. And oh, hello, that seems to be my light out of battery, so I'll try the other light, and third time's a charm. And good boy, Max. And yeah, it probably got a bit of yeast in there, but it actually is a really nice sort of ruby-ish colour, this one, so that's good. And you know, this came out alright. I think it's definitely strong, because after a couple I'm real dizzy and I fall over a lot, but it doesn't have a strong taste of alcohol, so it's kind of a ninja stealth strength beer. And I reckon I overdid it on the fuggles in the late edition, but it's still pretty nice. And as I said, for a first go, just completely winging it, I'm pretty happy with this, so I'll try and make something similar in the future. That one gets 2 thumbs up with a little wiggle for room for improvement. We'll see how this recipe evolves. Alright, next up is, English bitter. So, from the most boring to the best Cooper's kit, again, in my opinion, this is the English bitter. And this one I dressed up with a little bit of, I think, dark crystal malt, and I also added some fuggles in pretty late. And yeah, I've actually, it's got a very much sweetness to it now, I'm guessing from the crystal, of course. It doesn't taste very bitter at all on the palate, and kits take a while for those sorts of flavours to kind of meld, but this one seems to have stuck. So 2 thumbs. It's still really nice, very drinkable, just a little bit sweeter than I was expecting. Alright, next up we have what is this? Oh, this would be my pale, leftovers pale. This one had Nelson and Chinook and some other hop in it, maybe Amarillo, I can't remember exactly. Didn't have that high hopes because of the Chinook, but this one's actually really good. This is probably one of the best pales I've made. So, yeah, standard 85% base malt, 10% Munich, and 5% of, I can't remember exactly what crystal I used this time. But, yeah, no, really good. It's, oh yeah, once you pour the yeast in, it was very cloudy, but this one was really good. So, I reckon, what did I give this? Because it actually got a little bit better. So, yeah, 2 thumbs. Alright, that's really good. Okay. Alright, so next one we have is, Galactipa. This is Galactipa number 3. Let's see how we go here. And I'll just give it a, have a bit of a look at it. It's a fairly dark IPA, but that's just the way it is. And it tastes, oh my god, I'm giving it a rating already. It's got 2 thumbs. It's going more, give me more, get it in. This is probably the best beer I've ever made. Holy crap, I'm even drinking it out of the bottle. And, settle down. Okay, alright, calm. Alright, so I'm going to try my Galactipa now, and yes, it is a Old Galaxy IPA with something, and it's got a bunch of stuff, and it turns out that it's really good. So what I'm going to do is definitely make this one again next time the competition comes around. This one gets 1, 2 thumbs, and both feet as well, the highest rating I've ever given. I am so happy with that. So yeah, what a way to end. Alright, well, thanks for watching the tasting video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, do all that stuff. Apparently there's a notification thing you can press as well if you like listening to me shout at you. So yeah, have a good one. Make it Galactipa. Bye.